Welcome to Al-Kabi training. This is a multiple training exercise. It covers three types of exercises. The first one is picking up a load from ground position. Then the second exercise is turning on 90 degree, as we see now when the driver reached the first cone, which is he will do 90-degree turning and then going straight to the last cone, which is reminding of figure of 8 exercise, that turning around an object. Now he's turning around the last cone, driving backward, straight, in line. This exercise also overall focusing on one of the most important safety rule that says when you carry a shipment or a load that obscure your front view, drive in reverse. And that is what we see here. He's already turning, keeping himself in a good position to spot the location where he will keep the load back again. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.